going to discuss about Cmos. Cmos is the combination of Cmos and Nmos, where Cmos is the complementary metal oxide conductor. The Cmos is used to perform logical functions. Cmos consists of two types of MOSFET transistors, where the Cmos is whole concentrated. When Cmos is connected to the input as low voltage, where input and output when PMOS is connected input as low voltage, it will give output as high voltage. When the PMOS is connected input as high voltage, it will give output as low voltage. Cmos inverter. This basic Cmos is going to act as inverter. Going to discuss how Cmos will act as inverter. Now we are going to club the PMOS and NMOS. This is VDD, ground, PMOS, NMOS, PMOS Q1, NMOS Q2. By giving input voltage V input and V output, PMOS will on for low voltage, NMOS will on for high voltage, where the V input Q1, Q2, V output V input voltage input, Q1 is PMOS and Q2 is NMOS, where V is output voltage. For example, if you are providing low voltage to input by the input for PMOS and NMOS, same input and output voltage going to apply for PMOS and NMOS. PMOS going to on for low voltage and Nmos is going to off for the low voltage. For this voltage, this off means the Nmos is going to be short circuited and Pmos is open circuited, and the on means short circuited from VDD. What is going to happen means, hence this open circuit, the output not, what is going to happen means the output not going to connect, the output is not going to connect with the ground by this short circuit path. The output is going to connect with the VDD. Then what we are get is high voltage. Then what we are getting is high voltage is 1. Now for example, high voltage Pmos will off and Nmos will on. The Pmos will act as open circuit and Nmos will act as short circuit. Okay. What is going to happen means, here this open circuit, the output not going to connect with the VDD. By this short circuit path, the output is going to connect with the ground. Then the output and the ground will provide the voltage. By this the output is connected to the ground. By this result we get the 0. It is called the it is called basic inverter and basic unipolar logical or act as inverter. Cmos is the highest speed logical family compared to all logic families.